I started this garage door business when I was 22 years old out of an apartment complex on the Ridge in Hixson. People ask what can we attribute our success to for the last 12 years. It's because we run our business with traditional qualities such as we do return your phone calls. We do show up during the time window that we say we're going to. There is a live person standing by waiting to take your call that is knowledgeable in our field of expertise, which is garage doors and garage door opener systems. I just left a beautiful installation of some new garage doors, and as I pulled out of the driveway, I look back and I see those doors, and I know that for decades from now, those doors are going to be there. That is everything that Access is about. And at the end of the day, when I pull home to my family and I pull through my garage door, I know that we came in contact with 20 other families and made their life a little easier.